you gonna miss me? Do you have your river outfit on?
I do. It's my river wear.
Excited to leave?
Frick yeah!
We're all packed. I'm just waiting for Jacob.
See you out that door, baby, bye, bye, bye. I'm not that innocent.
Sing to me, Paolo.
I don't know this.
Here's our little room. Jacob gets to sleep in the crack. It's raining.
Well, shit.
Oh my god.
This is good bait.
This is for sure watching us. How are you feeling?
With my hands. Ah. Are you about to go swimming?
What are those?
The 80's called and they want their shoes back. I am so cold. We can check it out.
It's way too cold. How was y'all swim?
It was great.
Oh, you caught the hypothermia. Oh.
Whoa! Hey, baby.
I got the butterfly clips in my hair. It's a video.
I don't want you to fall back and hit your head. I'm coming, baby. Yeah, I can't feel below my knees. It's fucking cold.
Get it.
I'm looking for it. Where is he? The clown. Yeah, baby. I'll take one of them.
Take a nice cold tea.
I'm in the...
Don't touch my fucking chips.
Hey, baby.
Oh, it's gonna be cold. Woohoo!
Hello there, Coco.
Hello, brother.
I knew that was gonna happen. Come along, love.
My great-grandfather made these.
If y'all could see out there, there's a whole bunch of deer. Hot damn, boy. Fucking gorgeous. Look at the view. What are you in? Jacob, I don't know. You gotta delete this. Jacob, you look like you cut a mean grass. God damn, mama. You look good in pink.
He was trying to be nice.
Jacob, maybe we'll catch you something sweeter.
Come here, come here, come here, baby.
You recording the whole time?
No.
Oh my god, though. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, guys.
Happy birthday, Hannah!
It's such a pretty day. Good morning. Someone had a good birthday.
You want to talk about pools?
No, pineapple, pineapple. Little house on the prairie.
Oh, it got on me again! God!
We're packing up and we're moving to this house.
A little bit of an upgrade.
Just a little bit. Are you winning?
I don't know.
Hello, ladies.
Dude, there's all kind of crap.
How do you like my 90s bathing suit?
Love it.
I gotta get my flamingo. It's just me and my flamingo. Well, I'm still here by myself. Oh, look, here comes my friends.
Gone fishing.
Does Jacob know he's not going to get a fish?
Thank you, Jacob. What a view. What a view.
The fish biting?
No.
The king.
That's how they used to film like in the 90s, right?
Yeah, how is he catching a fish with no bait?
My chauffeur.
Is it playing?
It's plain.
Is it playing? Is it
I've skunked out on fishing so
in
far,
the
but I'm not
bag on
done
the
yet.
ground?
I'm gonna get hammered drunk.
No, you're driving home.
Oh yeah, that's right. Never mind. I'm a professional tube trunker.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see how well I can do this.
This is my ride. You struggling?
Come back! Alright, come on, you got it.
Ooh, we're hiking.
Hey, sickening help. This is just my bad arm. Take a break for 5 seconds.
They gave up on the cooler. Now this is talent. Quack, quack. Time to go. Yep, I knew that was gonna happen.
No.
Bye, Miss Ferris. Bye. Living my best life, baby.
No more fish. Oh no.
Time to head home to our baby mittens.
She misses us.
I know she does. Dude, he's not happy.
Hello. Hi, baby. We're home. Did you miss us? Oh, I missed you.